DJ Quentin Cox.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry to interrupt tonight's broadcast. We have an urgent public service announcement from our Washington, D.C. affiliate, WKXR 1790.
This is not a test.
91.7 WFAM Cleveland, your hottest source for sports and entertainment. Hey guys, this is DJ Clinton Cox. Make sure you tune in every Thursday from 3 to 5 for the Second Gear Show. That's right, the Second Gear Show on NorthCoastUnderground.com, where the underground starts with you. All right, so welcome to the Second Gear Show, man. We're 3 to 5 live for your afternoon drive. We've got a really good show for you today.
Amazing.
We're going to hit you with the weekend news. We're going to get some weather reports and some tech information. Also, Miss Carmencita is going to let you know what's going on in the world of viral videos.
Yes, I will.
And also, last week, Julius made the stupid mistake of challenging me to a rap battle. What do you want to do with your life? You're listening to 91.7 WFAM, The Fam, Cleveland's #1 talk radio station. All talk, all the time. Your hottest source for sports and entertainment.